Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for quick tech fixes and the finance app walkthroughs. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the issue when your Cash App cards keeps declining. Whether you're shopping online, in store, or withdrawing from an ATM. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to open the Cash App on your mobile device. If you are using the web browser, I want you to log in using your credentials, and I want you to go to the banking tab so that we can check if your balance is low or zero, because that means your card will automatically decline even if your linked bank has funds. So in my case, I have $0, so that could be one of the reasons why it is declining. Okay, and then after that, you want to make sure that you have fully verified and activated linked debit cards or a bank. Now, all I have to do is make sure all of the information is correct right here. Okay, so before making a purchase, you need to check all of these details. All right, and then after making sure that all of the information is correct, like the CVV and expiration, okay, since Cash App card is actually activated, another thing that you can look into is go to the limits. Okay, because the limits might restrict or make your payments decline. For you to be able to pass all of the limits, make sure your identity is verified with your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN, because unverified accounts can have like a lower spend and withdrawal limits. All right. Now, it's not often, but sometimes Cash App frauds system automatically blocks transactions that look suspicious, like a big purchase or unfamiliar location, or maybe multiple failed PIN entries. If this happens, wait a few minutes and try again. Okay, and then another thing that you can look into is you want to make sure that your card is activated. All right, so if you haven't already, okay, check if your card shows active right here. If not, follow the activation steps using QR code or by manually entering the CVV and expiration date. Now, if all the things didn't work for you, the last thing that you want to do is to contact the Cash App support. So go to your profile account, click the support, and there's going to be an option here to contact them via a chat support or like calling these numbers. And of course, you might want to explain the situation so that they can respond within a few business days to help lift any restrictions. Now, while waiting, there is like a search button here, and you might want to type in card. So these are going to be some of the guidelines that could potentially fix your problem. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to fix your Cash App card if it keeps declining, from checking your balance to verifying your account and updating your app. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more quick fixes and tutorials. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.